Good evening, everybody. Lady B here. The person that you're looking at is the person that won my Cookout goodie box. She said she was very pleasantly shocked that she actually won it. And the name of her channel is KatahdinKookingMama's Homestead. Now, for me, that is a tongue twister. But I will put the link to this video down in the description. Go watch it if you can. And she does a lot of really smart shopping. She does the extreme couponing. She does the Ibotta and all kinds of saving stuff. Stuff that I don't have the patience to do. Well, I wouldn't have the patience or the time, but I can imagine the amount of money that I would save if I would do it. But anyhow, in this video, she goes and shows everything that was in the box, and she promised whenever she get ready to do a cookout using some of this stuff that she would do another video. So if y'all would go over and watch this video and check out some of her other videos also. I've watched quite a few of them. I've watched one every once in a while before, but now that we've reconnected, I've just probably watched about all the videos that she's got. Well, I won't say all of them, but a good bit of them anyhow. Like I said, y'all go check her out. Check out some of the other videos that she's got out. I promised her that I would do this yesterday, and I'm really sorry. I've just had so much to do. It just got so late, and I was just so tired. I took a shower and hit the bed. But anyhow, here it is. And I guess that's all for now. Y'all take care. Stay safe. And I'll see y'all next video. Bye.